One of the most common questions I hear when people talk about moving from Wiegand to OSDP is this: do I need to replace all of my existing wiring? And the short answer, it's almost always no. There's no reason to let this scare you. In fact, over 99% of the time, you can reuse your existing Wiegand cabling for OSDP. Now here's the more complete answer. It is true that traditional Wiegand wiring does not meet the formal specifications for RS-485 or OSDP cabling. That part is accurate. However, if your existing runs are not exceeding the distance limits and the cable is in reasonably good condition, it's very likely that it's just fine for OSDP. But what if you want zero guesswork? To eliminate any uncertainty or doubt, Cypress has created this inexpensive and easy-to-use cable tester that tells you definitively whether your existing Wiegand cable will support OSDP. No assumptions, no surprises. Over on my YouTube channel, The Mercury Minute, I walk through this Cypress cable tester step by step. How to wire it, how to run the test, and how to interpret the results. Make sure you check that out, and please subscribe too.